Still got me?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll tell you what, man, I've severely underestimated the off-road capability of the 250L.
Yeah, no kidding. I think it's
good. If this thing was geared low and had a little more pep, an ECU and an exhaust and dirt tires, dude, you could just ride it like a dirt bike.
Yeah.
It's nuts, man. That's making me think, like, this is what a lot of people should be riding.
Yeah, no kidding.
How long you could ride this thing and never have to touch valves or top ends or anything?
Yeah.
Is that a climb? Oh my gosh. Alright, we're going up.
What kind of knobbies on the back of that?
Oh, that old Kenda Trackmaster. Shoot. It's horrible.
Yeah, that thing with some good tires on it? Wow.
Yep. Yeah, I bet I'd really like to try that 300L. It might have the umph you need.
Yeah.
This 250L kind of feels like a bike that you just have to get used to going slow. But like, most bikes have that extra tool. Like, and that extra tool is the throttle. So like, if you need to lighten up the front end or you need to wheelie over something, you can. But you can't do that with this.
Yeah.
So if you're fine without that extra tool, this thing is pretty cool, but guess we'll stay left for a few.
Sure. I feel like we're getting close to, remember that day we were out here, like on the, you were on the DR and we were like way out here. We started hitting gas lines and like different stuff.
Yeah. We popped out at that mine, didn't we?
Yeah, I think so.
I remember being so freaked out that I didn't have a skid plate.
Yeah.
We came down that rocky hill and all I could hear was rocks hitting my case. Whoa. Definitely think we're probably getting into something. They've been logging out here or something. They went and made it all greasy.
Ooh.
Oh God, man.
Ooh.
It looked like this just kept going, like around
Jeez.
that whole mountainside.
Wow. That's wild. It's a lot of land out here.
Yeah. I mean, I'd be up to see where it goes, but today might not be the best day.
Yeah.
It's so nasty. Well,
Yeah.
keep trudging, whatever you think. It might get better after these two water holes. I don't know.
Yeah.
These are kind of in the shade.
Right.
You gotta go so slow not to splash yourself. It looks like it dries up a little bit.
I wonder what this is all about.
This was probably all part of the system, and somebody just sold it, sold the logging rights or something, I'd say.
Yeah.
See something down here. A bunch of log trucks. Oh, nice. 119.
Huh.
This is where we came out last time, dude. This is that rocky section. Yeah, that's the little hut. They've just fixed it all. Wow. All right, you want to turn around and head back in?
Yeah, that's fine.
So we know where the back entrance is.